Am I the only one who didn't know the AC could stop working because of one small part? Let's find out why the compressor clutch matters, more than you think. The AC compressor clutch is a tiny but important part of your Nissan Rogue's air conditioning system. Its job is to connect and disconnect the compressor, which helps cool the air you feel inside. But what causes it to fail? The most common reason is wear and tear. Over time, the clutch can just wear out from normal use. Another big reason is low refrigerant levels. If there's not enough coolant, the system can't build up enough pressure, which means the clutch won't turn on. Electrical issues like a blown fuse or bad relay can also stop it from working. How do you know your clutch is the problem? You might hear a clicking noise when you turn on the AC, or nothing at all. The air might feel warm even on the coldest setting. Sometimes the AC light blinks or won't turn on, so what can you do? Check the fuses and relays first. They're easy fixes. If those are fine, it might be time to see a mechanic. Fixing the clutch is usually not a DIY job. Remember, taking care of your AC system can save you time and money down the road. Don't ignore the warning signs. Your comfort depends on it.